Hi, Cyber family. Welcome back. Today, we are doing a full hands investigation. You will watch a simulated attack Brofox, a Linux VM, break in provide into Windows VM, and launch a suspicious PowerShell command. And we will also correlate all the logs together like a real SOC analyst. Let's get into it. Here I have my two VMs running inside VirtualBox, a Linux machine. This will be the system under attack, and the Windows 11 machine. This is where the attacker will pivot. So the first thing on the screen, we're going to be looking at our IP addresses. So I'm going to look at from the colleague. So this is the IP address 198, sorry, 192.68.120. Then we're going to look at the Windows IP address. So the Windows IP address is 192.168.110 Windows. So both of them are on the same network. First, I am enabling SSH on Linux VM so we can simulate brute force attempt. To do that, I will need to sudo systemctl start SSH. Then I'm going to sudo systemctl enable SSH. You can run both at the same time. So the SSH has been enabled. Now, for my Windows system, I will simulate a brute force attack by repeatedly entering wrong SSH password. So on my Windows, I'm going to put the IP address right here. I'm going to put the Linux IP address. It's 192.168.120. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to remove this text here. So I'm going to SSH from my Windows into the IP address. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to say yes. I'm just going to put Y. Then it said, please type YES. Okay, just YES. Now I said, right here, warning,